Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. We always give you lovely recipes, ideas and things where you can make at home to keep your body up to date. Today we want to make you a strawberry smoothie. Very fantastic, really nice and simple, very easy to prepare. This one, I'm not going to be going over the board with it. I'm going to make it simple. That's so you guys can make this at home. All right. Thank you so much for tuning into my show. Stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter, Facebook, Google+. Me get your favorite recipe. And remember, don't forget to click in the bell, click in the notification, get the latest update from Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel and also for the team. Anyway, donation button is in the description box or up on the top. Click on it. Donate 50p, 1p, whatever you have. Thank you for that. We're going to take the time out to make you a lovely strawberry smoothie today, and hopefully you guys will love it. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Google+. Me get your favorite recipe from Chef Ricardo. Stay tuned. Don't go nice and lovely today, guys. So basically we're gonna make you a lovely smoothie, strawberry smoothie today. Very easy recipe. Get some strawberry, cut them into half, and this one is very chunky. So basically we're just going to simple make a nice lovely strawberry smoothie today, guys. So basically I know 100% you guys definitely will love this one. All right, as you can see. So the trick with the strawberry smoothie, because we all know that strawberry definitely come with a little bit of sourness. So what we're going to do to keep away some of the sourness from the strawberry, we're just gonna simple peel a little piece of a ginger to put inside of it, bringing a flavor to it also. Alright, so if you want to get rid of your sourness of your strawberry, if you doesn't have any honey, you can simply put a teaspoon of sugar inside of it and it will kill the sourness of the strawberry. Simple, pour a little bit of water. You don't need too much water because the strawberry is very easy to blend and is not gonna take too long. Alright, in the spring, it's coming up to summer also next, if you don't, you know what I mean? But we're gonna keep you up to date. So we're gonna blend this about 3 to 4 minutes and that's it. Looking good. Nice. We don't need to go any further with it. That's it, guys. It's so lovely, easy and simple to prepare, and that's the way how it goes. All right, now what we're going to do is just simple remove it and pour it straight inside of your glass like this, and that's a beautiful strawberry smoothie which we're talking about. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook, Google+. Me and get your favorite recipe from Chef Ricardo and the team. We will keep you up to date with new recipes and new ideas, guys. Look at that. That is fantastic and that is amazing. Stay tuned and I will see you next time with more recipes. Chef Ricardo strawberry smoothie for my Juice Bar channel, and I will keep you definitely up to date. I love you all and I will see you next time. Bye bye.